Some Ford SUVs are capable of lasting well beyond 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Others can leave you facing catastrophic engine failures, transmission breakdowns, or repair bills that easily climb into the thousands. The problem is that many of these SUVs look almost identical on the used car lot. Two vehicles may share the same name, body style, and even similar mileage, yet one could be an outstanding long-term investment, while the other could become a financial nightmare. In this video, we're counting down the 3 worst Ford SUVs to avoid in 2026, based on owner complaints, reliability data, and common mechanical problems. Then we'll reveal 4 of the best Ford SUVs that have earned strong reputations for durability, lower maintenance costs, and long-term value. Whether you're shopping for your first SUV or replacing your current vehicle, choosing the right model year could save you thousands of dollars and help you avoid some of Ford's most expensive mistakes. So before you buy a used Ford SUV, make sure you watch until the very end. But before you assume every Ford SUV is a bad buy, that's far from the truth. Some of them are among the most dependable used SUVs you can own. The challenge is knowing which model years to avoid and which ones are worth every dollar. Let's get started. Worst number 3, 2019 Ford Explorer. Let's kick things off with a vehicle that often looks like an incredible bargain on the used market, the 2019 Ford Explorer. It's spacious, comfortable, and practical, making it an appealing choice for families who want a capable 3-row SUV without spending a fortune. Unfortunately, this model year comes with several well-documented issues that deserve serious attention. According to owner complaints compiled by Car Complaints and reports filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, the 2019 Explorer has been associated with sudden power steering failures. Some owners report the steering becoming extremely heavy with little warning, making the vehicle much more difficult to control. Another major concern involves the rear suspension toe links. On some vehicles, corrosion can weaken these components over time, increasing the risk of cracking or fracturing under load. Ford ultimately issued recalls covering certain vehicles affected by this problem. Many of these issues begin to appear after roughly 50,000 to 80,000 miles, often catching owners by surprise because the SUV may drive normally until symptoms develop. If the vehicle is no longer covered by warranty, replacing major steering or suspension components can easily cost between $1,500 and $3,000, depending on the repairs required. While not every 2019 Explorer will experience these problems, the combination of steering-related complaints, suspension concerns, and potentially expensive repair bills makes this one of the Ford Explorer model years that used SUV shoppers should approach with caution. And here's the scary part. Power steering problems aren't even the most expensive issue on today's list. Our next SUV can end up needing an entirely new engine. Worst number 2, 2018 Ford Edge. Next up is the 2018 Ford Edge. At first glance, it's easy to see why so many buyers are drawn to it. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and it offers plenty of comfort and technology for the money. Unfortunately, if you're considering one equipped with the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, there's a major issue you need to know about. The biggest concern is a well-documented problem known as coolant intrusion. On certain engines, a flaw in the engine block design can allow engine coolant to leak into the combustion chamber over time. Once that happens, the damage can escalate quickly and often leads to catastrophic engine failure. The warning signs usually don't appear until somewhere between 60,000 and 90,000 miles. Owners commonly report rough idling, repeated coolant loss with no visible leak, white exhaust smoke, engine misfires, and overheating. By the time these symptoms become obvious, the engine has often suffered severe internal damage. Unfortunately, repairing the problem is rarely inexpensive. In many cases, the only permanent solution is replacing the engine or installing an updated short block, with repair costs commonly ranging from $7,000 to $10,000 if the vehicle is no longer covered by warranty. Reliability surveys and owner complaints consistently identify this as one of the most significant problems affecting the 2018 Ford Edge. Unless you can verify that the engine has already been replaced with the updated design, this is a model year that most used SUV buyers should avoid. And if you think replacing an engine is expensive, wait until you see our number 1 pick, because its most notorious design flaw can destroy the engine with surprisingly little warning. Worst number 1, 2022 Ford EcoSport. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the 2022 Ford EcoSport. On paper, it sounds like a smart buy. It's affordable, easy to park, and offers the higher driving position many SUV buyers want. But once you look beyond the price tag, the compromises become much harder to ignore. One of the biggest concerns for buyers is the EcoSport's aging design. By 2022, it lagged behind nearly every competitor in ride quality, fuel economy, interior refinement, and overall driving experience. Owner feedback also points to recurring complaints involving electrical issues, rough transmission behavior, and disappointing performance, particularly from the naturally aspirated engine. Repair costs can climb quickly as these vehicles age, especially once they're out of warranty. While not every EcoSport will experience major mechanical failures, even relatively modest repairs can feel expensive given the vehicle's limited resale value and overall refinement. Perhaps the biggest issue is value for money. For a similar budget, shoppers can often find larger, more reliable, and better equipped SUVs such as a well-maintained Ford Escape, Honda CR-V, or Toyota RAV4 from nearby model years. For those reasons, the 2022 Ford EcoSport ranks as our least recommended Ford SUV to buy used. It isn't necessarily the most failure-prone SUV Ford has ever built, but considering its aging platform, limited performance, lower owner satisfaction, and stronger alternatives on the market, it's the one we'd skip. The good news? Not every Ford SUV is a money pit. In fact, the next four vehicles have earned much stronger reputations for reliability, and some of them might surprise you. Best number 4. 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. Let's pivot to the good stuff, starting with the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. If you want rugged SUV styling, genuine off-road capability, and everyday practicality, the Bronco Sport strikes an impressive balance. Unlike many compact SUVs that focus almost entirely on pavement, the Bronco Sport offers standard all-wheel drive on most trims, generous ground clearance, and a surprisingly capable terrain management system, while still remaining comfortable enough for daily commuting. No vehicle is completely flawless, of course. Some owners have reported minor software and electrical glitches, including occasional infotainment freezes, warning messages, or auto start-stop system behavior. Fortunately, these issues are generally electronic rather than mechanical, and are often resolved through software updates or warranty service. More importantly, the Bronco Sport has avoided the widespread engine and transmission problems that have affected some earlier Ford SUVs. Routine maintenance costs remain reasonable, and and owner satisfaction has been strong since its introduction. The 2024 model also continues to earn excellent safety recognition, including top ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, making it one of the safer choices in the compact SUV segment. If you're looking for a compact SUV that's practical during the week, capable on weekend adventures, and backed by a solid combination of safety, technology, and reliability, the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport is an easy recommendation. But reliability isn't everything. If you need serious towing capability or room for a growing family, our next recommendation is on a completely different level. Best number 3, 2017 Ford Expedition. If you have a large family, regularly tow a trailer, or simply need a full-size SUV with serious capability, the 2017 Ford Expedition deserves a close look. While many newer SUVs rely on increasingly complex technology, the 2017 Expedition stands out for its proven design and long-term durability. Its biggest advantage is a well-established powertrain. By the final year of this generation, Ford had refined the 3.5-liter EcoBoost VR6 and paired it with a dependable 6-speed automatic transmission. Owner feedback on sites like Car Complaints suggests that major powertrain failures are relatively uncommon compared with many competitors from the same era. The more frequently reported issues tend to be smaller maintenance items, such as a blower motor, throttle body cleaning, or other age-related wear components. Most of these repairs don't typically appear until well beyond 100,000 miles, and they're generally far less expensive than replacing an engine or transmission. RepairPal estimates many of these common repairs fall in the $250 to $500 range, depending on the component and labor costs. The 2017 Expedition also earns praise for its spacious interior, exceptional towing capability, comfortable ride, and generous cargo space. With regular maintenance, it's not uncommon to see these SUVs surpass 200,000 miles, making them one of the strongest values in the used full-size SUV market. If you need a dependable body-on-frame SUV that can comfortably handle family road trips, towing duties, and years of daily driving, the 2017 Ford Expedition is an easy recommendation. Here's something many used SUV shoppers overlook. The final years of a vehicle generation are far more reliable than the early production models. Our next pick is a perfect example. Best number 2, 2023 Ford Explorer. That brings us to the 2023 Ford Explorer. After several years of updates and refinements, Ford addressed many of the early issues that affected this generation, making the 2023 model one of the strongest Explorer model years to consider on the used market. Rather than dealing with major engine or transmission concerns, most owner complaints involve relatively minor electronic or infotainment issues. One of the more commonly reported problems is an occasional backup camera or sync infotainment screen that may freeze, display a blank image, or require a system restart. Fortunately, these issues are typically software-related and can often be resolved through a dealership software update or module reprogramming rather than major mechanical repairs. Beyond those relatively minor concerns, the 2023 Explorer offers a refined driving experience, a spacious 3-row interior, strong available turbocharged engines, and excellent everyday practicality. It also benefits from the improvements Ford made throughout this generation, giving buyers greater confidence than some of the earlier model years. Consumer Reports has noted improved reliability compared with earlier versions of this generation, while many owners praise its comfortable ride, capable performance, and family-friendly versatility. If you're shopping for a modern 3-row SUV that balances technology, performance, and everyday usability, the 2023 Ford Explorer is one of the smartest Ford SUVs you can buy. Before we reveal our number 1 pick, we'd love to hear from you. If you were buying a used Ford SUV today, which model would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see if our number 1 pick matches yours. Best number 1, 2019 Ford Escape. Taking our number 1 spot is the 2019 Ford Escape. It may not be the newest or flashiest SUV on this list, but when it comes to long-term value, proven reliability, and affordable ownership, it's one of the smartest used Ford SUVs you can buy. One of the biggest reasons is timing. The 2019 model marked the final year of its generation, giving Ford years to refine the platform and address many of the issues found in earlier model years. By the end of the production cycle, the Escape had developed a solid reputation for dependable performance and relatively few widespread mechanical concerns. Its biggest advantage is simple, proven engineering. While some owners report occasional transmission hesitation or minor electrical issues as the vehicle ages, these complaints are generally far less serious and far less expensive than the engine or transmission failures seen in some other Ford SUVs. Staying on top of routine maintenance, including regular transmission fluid service, can go a long way toward preserving long-term reliability. As mileage climbs, owners may eventually encounter smaller wear and tear items such as tire pressure monitoring sensors or other minor electrical components. However, these repairs are typically inexpensive compared with major drivetrain repairs. RepairPal also rates the Escape's ownership costs favorably, making it one of the more affordable compact SUVs to own over time. Adding to its reputation, the 2019 Ford Escape earned a strong 86 out of 100 for quality and reliability from J.D. Power, reinforcing its standing as a dependable choice for used SUV buyers. So, if you're looking for a practical SUV that's affordable to buy, inexpensive to maintain, comfortable to drive, and capable of delivering years of dependable service, the 2019 Ford Escape checks all the right boxes. It may not be the most exciting SUV on the market, but if your goal is maximizing value while minimizing unexpected repair bills, the 2019 Ford Escape is our top recommendation and the best Ford SUV to buy used in 2026. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. If you were shopping for a used Ford SUV today, which model would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to see if your choice matches our number 1 pick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest, research-based car buying advice. Every week, we break down the best and worst model years from Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, and many other brands, helping you make smarter buying decisions and avoid expensive repair bills. And if you're shopping for another used SUV, don't stop here. Check out our other best and worst model year guides right here on the channel. There's a good chance we've already covered the vehicle you're considering, and the next video could save you thousands of dollars before you buy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.